Hi everyone, this is Elaine Sarantakos, your fabulous cooking coach. I'm here at the Western Diplomat at Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I'm here with my friend Bob. Just want you to check out the pool. Come check out the pool, Bob, for us. So I was sitting on a sun chair, on a sun bed, and I was just tanning, trying to relax, and then all of a sudden, out of the sky, a bird pooped on me, and I had this white poop all over the side of my stomach, and I heard that that's good luck and it's very positive. So I'm wondering if it's because I'm a positive person or they just came up with that expression for people so you